Let's talk about the inspector. The way to activate the inspector is by pressing I on your keyboard. Two sections for the inspector. You're gonna have the region section for certain regions that are selected. You can modify certain things there. And then you're gonna have track inspection. That's gonna be for the actual whole track that you have audio on. All right, down below here is gonna be where you have multiple like settings that you can basically modify. This is essentially seeing the mixer, but only one track essentially. It's a more focused viewpoint of what's on the mixer so you don't get confused, and it's a little easier to like navigate. So on the left hand side is the actual track that you have selected. So if I change here, and then if you look on the right section, that's actually where it's being routed to. So if you had it routed to a bus, it would show you here where it's being routed to, and you can see up here that it's being routed to that same number, which would be this sum 5. So I'm gonna highlight this track so we can have access to the region area of the inspector. I'm gonna press on this drop down here, and you can see that there's multiple things that you can do to the region. You can mute it manually, like just that physical region, not the track. You can have it loop like infinitely. Quantize, that'll be for more like separate like instrumentations like drums, stuff like that. So you can do different like quantizations of it. Q swing, I believe that would be more for MIDI. So if you want to add more swing to like a strum or something like that, you would do it on that. Transpose, you can change the pitch of that region. You can literally go up, down, pitch it up, pitch it down, but you know, for a track like that, you don't want to do that. And then fine tuning is also affecting the pitch, but it's more of a semitones. Flex and follow, this is going to be following to the bars and beats of the project. So you can turn that on and it'll basically quantize based off the project tempo, not necessarily quantizing based off the grid that's being applied there. And then down here, which is my most used, is the gain tool. Basically, you can affect the volume of the region itself. If you click on the more tab, this is where more stuff is being used as well. This delay thing, it's more like almost like nudging a little bit, but I wouldn't use it here. I would just nudge it physically. Fade in is exactly how it sounds. The amount of samples that you want to fade in, it'll do a little region fade. Curve would be like the curvature of that fade, and then fade out is pretty self-explanatory, just fading out. And then you can change the type here. You can change it to crossfade, equal power crossfade, S-curve crossfade, all that fun stuff. And then this is a fun part right here, is reverse the region. So to reverse that track, and you can have like just one section. Like let's say you chopped it up, you can have a section just be reversed for that section. And then Q range and 2 strength, pretty confident you won't be using that too often, but if you guys want me to elaborate more on it, just let me know. That's all for now. Follow for more. If you liked the video, comment inspection down below.